outside. How are you, sweethearts? You know you can't see it directly, but I want guys, and we observe. You can't look at it directly, but over there, I want to sit under this, covered by this. Hey, sweethearts. Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Miss Jackie 254. I do lifestyle vlogs, dog lifestyle, everything nice in between. And if you're a new subscriber, please subscribe to my channel. And I've been expecting solar eclipse. I don't know if in Kenya we'll see it very well, but I'm just asking you, have you observed the solar eclipse? Have you? I'm still waiting. For me, I think in Kenya it was supposed to be 5:31 and right now it's 5:15. Can somebody tell me, have you seen, have you observed it from wherever you're sitting from? So I'm outside waiting for you guys to subscribe to my channel. Time and as we chat, I'm trying to sit against the light so that we talk as we wait for this. As you tell me if you have a bit. It's Sunday. I'm under a popo tree. Now let me sing for you guys as I wait for you to join my live and tell me, have you observed the solar eclipse? The partial solar eclipse it was supposed to happen today, and clearly you can see there's a cloud close to the sun. Totally dark. You can't look at it directly, but yeah, I can see some traces of it happening. Asubuhi njema, asubuhi njema, tuwe out. I'm looking at the clouds and just waiting for this one side of the sky is blue and white, but this other side the sun is looking like it can blinden my eyes. So how are you, sweethearts? Have you actually observed the partial solar eclipse? It was predicted it's supposed to happen today. So can you tell me, have you observed it? If you're from, let me show you. I don't know, I can't look it directly, but let me show you. I want to observe it. Banana trees. You see that sun over there? I understand it's where is it the moon? The moon coming between the earth and the sun, and you can see the far end. You see? I don't have binoculars, but look at my finger. You see in between these leaves. You look up there, yeah. You can't look it directly, but funny enough, in Kenya and where I'm observing all this, this cloud is dark, and these other clouds are bright. So, scientists, can you tell me from where you're sitting from if you can observe the partial? Because I've been waiting for it. Smooth FR, how are you? Where are you watching from? Welcome to my channel. If you haven't subscribed, subscribe. And like the sun is out to play. Like it was waiting for me to go live and come out popping. And you know you can look at it directly. I understand it was supposed to happen at 5:31. I'm calculating my minutes and expecting people from Morocco, South Africa, Antarctica, the southern part and where the equator is. Can you tell us, can you see the partial eclipse? Because I understand not everywhere will see. Those upper sides, the southern part, are the ones that are going to see very, very well. And you can't look directly because you can. I'm done. I know my camera is not the best, but you know I'm using the best phone. Samsung is the best. So like I'm saying, this side of the cloud, and I don't want you guys to go as well blind. The cloud, it's very, very brilliant. But that side of the sun that is looking dark. Smooth, it's not the end of the world, really. It's the end of the world. Can somebody tell me if you have really observed it? Because it is really. You won't say it's science? I thought it's science. Let's wait for 5:31 so that we can be able to observe. I don't know why I'm feeling like I will look for a directly. But you're saying it's the end of the world. It's not the end of the world. It's not the end. And if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe kindly, guys. Subscribe to my YouTube channel because I've been trying to do so many things for you guys. So let's observe the sky from this angle. Last time I was here when I was talking about blood moon. And I was looking at the blood moon here. And I asked questions you didn't answer me. I thought I have sun friends. What is going on? The sun is over there. Okay, you see that cloud is very dark. It's very dark. I don't want to look direct. Taking advantage of this camera of mine that you're complaining is not good. To not look directly at the sun. I look at my phone and then show you guys we get burnt our eyes through the camera. You see how it's shining where my finger is doing like this. You see? So I think that is when it's going to do the do. So yeah. And you see those clouds are a bit dark. Where are scientists? Any scientists to tell us? I'm not a scientist. I'm just doing an observation because I was expecting this today. I was expecting it to happen. So, and I've been reading a lot of these things. And yeah. Let me shout out to some of you. I'll shout out to Hardan. I don't know which language you're saying. My camera is bad. Buy me one which is going to to make me be able to zoom in the sun for you. Oh my God. Smooth. Thank you so much for joining my live. Where are you watching me from? Tell me where you're watching me from. Did you go to church or you're all pagans? I came from church. I came from church and I hope you're not pagans. Yeah. So we are going to observe the sun together. But I'm not going to observe it directly. You are going to tell me, guys, if you can see the actual. I just want to read your messages. Yeah, I came from church. It was awesome. And I want to this is the song that my choir sang. Our choir sang that is just disturbing my head. And I want to sing. I want to sing. I want to sing. But I want to go on the other side to go and check on if the sun is still doing the do. But funny enough, it's the time it has started shining very bright. And I don't have a cardboard. You're supposed to observe it through a cardboard, not directly. And you reflect it down. So let me tilt you. Again, we are going to use my bad camera to observe together. There, yeah, you see how shining it's shining bright. Shining so bright. Where my finger is at, over there. So I don't know if it's going to get dark because I understand the moon comes in between the sun and the earth. And we are already on earth and the sun is there. So I don't know how we are going to, and it's supposed to be dark according to the way I researched. So I don't know if it's going to give me the show. But I know some of you scientists out there are using the best cameras. The sky is beautiful. The sun is shining. The birds are chirping. It's such a lovely Sunday. Can you all subscribe to my channel kindly? kindly, as I sing for you guys. So let's sing. Asubuhi njema, asubuhi njema, tuwe na utukufu. Asubuhi njema, asubuhi njema, asubuhi njema, tuwe na utukufu. Asubuhi njema, asubuhi njema, asubuhi njema, tuwe na utukufu. Asubuhi njema, asubuhi njema. Tommy, say hi to our people. Say hi as you observe the sun. Asubuhi njema, tuwe na utukufu. Asubuhi njema. Guys, meet Tommy. Tommy is my Rhodesian Ridgeback. He always throw tantrums. So I have to come and say hi before we observe the sun. So have you observed the sun? I had to come and say hi to Tommy. Tommy. Or you're throwing tantrums because maybe Tommy is throwing tantrums because of solar eclipse. Does it have effects on animals? He has been throwing tantrums lately. Can somebody tell me that if this solar eclipse thing has effect on animals? Because he's been throwing tantrums for no apparent reasons, guys. Hey, Tommy, tell our people why you have been throwing tantrums. He has been throwing tantrums. Who owns a dog like me? Eh? Who owns a dog like me and it's throwing tantrums? Belinda Mwirigi, how are you? How you doing? How is the Sunday? Have you seen the sun? Have you observed the solar partial eclipse? Because you can't look directly. It was supposed to happen today, but me, I just can't look at it directly. I want you to guys to chat and tell me, you have seen it. You have seen it. So it was supposed to happen today, 21st. And here I am with you guys. Let's sing for Tommy. Asubuhi njema, asubuhi njema, tuwe na utukufu. Asubuhi njema. Tommy. Asubuhi njema, asubuhi njema, tuwe na utukufu. Asubuhi njema. Imagine that song. I just only know the chorus. Since my mother is in the choir, I will look for that book of hers and sing the entire song because, guys, that song has been bugging my head all the time. I feel like singing it. And I'm feeling good. Yeah. As we wait for, what time is it, guys? Hey, it's already 5:33. Has it happened? Look on another angle that if you can see. Can somebody tell me if it happened? Asubuhi njema, asubuhi njema, tuwe na utukufu. I don't want to look at the sun directly. Asubuhi njema. Let me show you. We are going to burn our eyes with our camera. Asubuhi njema, asubuhi njema, tuwe na utukufu. Asubuhi njema. Hadan 01. So you haven't as well observed, but I don't know. The sun is happening. It has happened. It has happened. I'm trying to use the camera to look, and it's shining bright. Let me tell you guys, I'm not going to go blind. We are going to use this camera to observe. You see how it's shining so bright? It's shining so bright. You're not supposed to look directly. And no wonder today I had like some pretty headache. I had to drink a lot of water from when I was walking from church. And I didn't know it's actually this thing that is affecting me. So guys, I think it has just happened. It was supposed to, in Kenya, you would see it at 5:31. 5:31. So people from Morocco, tell us. Meanwhile, subscribe to my channel because I'm not planning to go totally blind, and already I have spectacles. I'm not planning to go totally. I'm going to use this camera that you're complaining about to observe it. Did you go to church, guys? I'll keep on singing my chorus. Tell you guys, even the bees are out to play. I'm trying to look at it directly through these lilies. And I think the moon has covered. I'm trying to think the moon has covered. There is the sun. I'm not planning to go blind, guys. I'm not planning to go blind. But the sun is shining so bright. Bright. You know, I used to be in the choir, so I'm feeling like being musical. Yeah. Which is your favorite song? Hmm? Harden, what's your problem? What's your problem, Harden? Harden, is it Harden? What's your problem? In fact, you're writing bad English. Do you speak English? You're writing bad English? What is job? Huh? It's Sunday. And do you go to work on Sunday? Are you a pagan or an atheist? Why do you want me to be bad to you? Hmm? Why do you want me to be bad to you? Huh? Asubuhi njema, asubuhi njema, tuwe na utukufu. Asubuhi njema, asubuhi njema, asubuhi njema, tuwe na utukufu. Asubuhi njema. Those clouds are becoming a little bit brighter, but they're still dark. Still dark. Very dark. Yeah, it has happened. It has happened. Seeing is believing. It has happened actually. Yes, it has. Yes, it has. It was supposed to happen exactly 5:31, especially in Kenya. This was the best time to observe it. Because that cloud on that side, I don't remember those clouds. We used to have stratus, nimbus. The other clouds were? The other clouds were? Yeah. So I'm observing through my phone because suppose you're not supposed to look at it directly. You ain't supposed to look at it directly, and yeah, truly it was happening today. Truly it was happening today, today. So people from Morocco, South Africa, tell us, how do you find it? Oh my God. Hmm? People from Morocco, and I tell you, there's the way you feel the head. My head is going around. I'm feeling dizzy. I'm feeling dizzy. I don't want to look at it directly. You're not supposed to look at it directly. I'm not planning to go blind because I'm already blind. I have spectacles, yo. I have spectacles. I'm not planning to go blind. And you're supposed to look at it through a coward. And it's a good thing to observe this Sunday evening. It's Sunday afternoon. Is it afternoon? It's actually evening. And yeah, yep. I'm just from church. It was such a blessing. Oh my God, it has happened. Let me tell you, the sun it has covered. Oh my God. Have you ever gone blind? It has happened. It has really happened. No wonder I'm feeling like I'm going. It has happened, guys. So that my research wasn't bad after all. My research was just for nothing. Let me tell you, the sun is so bright. Hi. Yo, I need a telescope. Do you know right now I'm seeing you guys as 2 shillings, 2 shillings. That's what I'm telling you, sometimes you can go blind. I'm not planning to go blind. So say hi, and if you have observed the actual partial solar eclipse, and it's the last for this year. I've been expecting it. I won't lie. After blood moon, I've been expecting this. I've been expecting to see this, and yeah, that's what's up. That's what's up. You can be singing. And you can say hi and where you're watching me from, apart from this hard and thing, who is very, I don't like you. If you have nothing to comment, please, you are not forced to come in my live. Get yourself together and go to another person's live. I don't take negative energy here. Do you hear me, Hardan? I'll tell it on your face. I don't take negative energy. Take your bad energy wherever. In this dispensation, I'm not expecting any person to give me bad energy. Take your bad energy elsewhere, not on my channel. Yeah. Oh my God, that thing can make you blind. That's why I'm telling you guys, you're not supposed to observe this solar eclipse thing without using a cardboard or something. There are special glasses specifically to observe it. Not these spectacles like normal spectacles. There are special glasses which have like several layers to observe it directly. So be careful. Don't just go and observe it blindly, like directly. Don't go and observe it directly. You might go blind. You might go blind. And if you're not planning to go blind, please don't observe it directly, okay? Oh my God, I've felt kizunguzungu. I've felt English. Do you know what is English? Oh my God, I felt English because I was observing through my phone. It has really happened, guys. I'm curious as that. I'm usually very curious. I'm very curious. Super curious. As much as you say curiosity killer, I like knowing things. And truly, it is really happening. They had said that in specific places in Africa is where there is going to be good observation. That's why I'm asking people from Morocco. South Africa. Have you observed it very well? Just say it on the comment section and say, yeah, I've seen it, I've seen it, I've seen it. It's usually the best. And this year I understand there's one which happened in March. That one I didn't even recognize or even didn't realize it happened. But the blood moon, I was there. I observed with my camera as much as at night. The camera was very tricky. You could see very well with your naked eyes, but the camera wasn't doing the very best. I don't understand what was going on. With your naked eyes, you could see the blood moon very well. But looking with your phone, it was such a disappointment. But now the solar eclipse is during the day. Sadly, I don't have the special glasses. And I don't know where to get a cardboard to reflect it so that it reflects on the cardboard so that we can be able to observe it. But let me tell you, don't observe it directly. You will go blind. Because I've tried using my phone and you could feel, I'm now feeling English. I'm feeling English is feeling like around, like your head is going round and round. And basically, partial solar eclipse is whereby the moon crosses in between the sun and the earth. Yeah. If I'm wrong, put your chat there on the comment section and say, yo, you're explaining wrongly. This is how it happens. I want your scientists to come to my channel and give me this gist, especially those people who are close to those terrestrial bodies. Those people who are observing them. Yeah? Those people who are observing them, those terrestrial bodies. I want you to just come here and say, yo, this is how we observe them. Mm-hmm. Okay? Yeah. Otherwise, my Sunday has been good. My week has been fruitful. Has yours been? What have you been up to? Hmm? How was your Sunday? And I always keep on asking you guys, do go to church? Or I'm dealing with pagans. Which being do you believe in? Me, I'll ask you those questions. Those patent questions you don't want to be asked. Are you a pagan? Are you an atheist? Are you a Christian? Are you just religious? I need to understand what kind of people I'm dealing with. Because, like, I will talk of this guy called Hadan. I don't like your energy. I don't like your energy. If you bring your bad energy in my channel, walk out on my channel. Me, I'll tell you as it is. Don't bring your bad energy on my channel. I don't take negative energy in this channel. So, especially in this dispensation of blood moon and these solar eclipse things, these things that have been happening, don't bring your bad energy to me. Because I'll call you out. And I won't be shy to tell you to take your energy away. I don't need your energy. I don't need your bad energy. Yes. And your bad English to talk. You even don't know how to speak in English. You're busy here bringing your bad energy. Oh my God. Let me tell you guys, if you're observing, just comment there because I can look at it directly. I can look at it directly. I just don't want to go blind. I just don't want to go blind. Because already I'm feeling English. But let me show you how the, the, the plants are shining so bright so that you can be able to understand that somebody who, you see how the way it's reflecting how bright the sun is. Actually, those coffee plantations are reflecting how the sun is actually shining so bright that you can't even look at it directly. You just can't look at it directly, guys. Yo, and the skies are looking like that. Can somebody remind me these clouds, this type of clouds? Were they the nimbus or the stratus? This was like, I don't know, grade 6 or something, science. We used to call them what? Me I only remember of nimbus clouds, and the stratus ones used to be milky in a way. And the other ones were what? They were several. So, And scientists, which clouds are these? Which combination of these clouds is? Which is this and which is this? These ones that are looking milky. Yes, you see how the plants are just showing how the sun is. Actually, this plant is the one is actually showing how bright the sun is. Damn, you can imagine if you look at that thing, you'll go blind. Trust me, you're going to go blind if you look at it directly. Yeah. So you from wherever, are you observing? Can somebody share down on the comment section if you're observing it? I've been curiously waiting for this day, actually. I'm always very curious. I'm very curious. So I was waiting for this day, actually. But I just was curious to know if it's really going to happen on 21st of September, and really has happened. And like I'm saying, the plants are really reflecting how the sun is actually, yeah. And I don't want to look at it directly, so tell me, guys, where you watching from? And if you haven't subscribed, what are you waiting for? Actually, subscribe is absolutely free. Don't be somebody of Makoro. What is Makoro? Manhattan. Don't be a person of jealousy that you can subscribe. It's absolutely free. Do unto others what you would love to be done. I know you don't have a channel, but you can, as always, you have an email. You can subscribe. It's totally free. Totally free, and we get curious together. Let me show you another plant that is making me feel that, this one you're not supposed to look at it very directly. By the way, I'll keep on repeating like that. Look at those flowers. You see how they're bright? The sun is really shining. Tell me if you won't go blind if you look at the sun directly. Tell me if you won't go blind. So I've just looked at the sun using my phone. And let me tell you guys, after looking at the sun with my phone, I felt English. I felt kizunguzungu. That's why I'm standing here for a minute. I'm very curious. I'm a very curious human being. Again, let me ask you: can you scientists? Because I know you know all this, the clouds, the terrestrial bodies. These other clouds, these ones, we used to call them what? You science teachers out there, can you tell me this as well? This used to be called what? Because it's like we are having different types of. I've told you the only cloud I remember is nimbus and stratus. The rest of the clouds, I don't have any idea their names. So, guys, last time I asked you with stargaze. This time round, I'm asking you to. Hi, Ray Gibson. It's good morning from where? In Kenya, it's actually good evening. And I'm trying to observe what we call the partial solar eclipse that was said to happen today. And my curiosity got me busy here with my phone trying to observe, because I don't know, you can look at it directly. So good morning Gibson, where are you watching from? Because in Kenya it's actually evening. And please tell me if you know these types of clouds. Yeah, so in Kenya it's actually evening. And yeah, so that's how I was saying 5:31 in Kenya. We were supposed to observe this continent, because I understand it was supposed to happen in America, Antarctica, the South. And the South, I think even South Africa play a part on that. And in Africa, I think Algeria and Morocco, they were the ones to be able to watch very well. So I'm asking you people, my fellow Africans who are close to, yeah, can you see it very well? Because I'm not planning to go blind. I'm already blind, that's why I'm using glasses. And I'm not planning to go more blind. You're from Caribbean. Wow. Yeah, I'm from Africa. Mama Africa called Kenya. I'm a Kenyan. You're from Caribbean. Which country? Can you observe the solar eclipse? And if you can be able to observe it, how do you find it? How do you find it? Because me, I'm not planning to go blind. I've tried to look at it through my phone, and I felt like I'm going crazy out of my curiosity. So yeah, I'm from Kenya, and I don't think Kenya we are seeing as the real deal. You Caribbeans, I think you can see Jamaica. Ah, you're Jamaican and you live where? Wow, welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for joining my live. Oh my God, Jamaica. I love Jamaica. I only know one thing, Bobo Shante. How do you say hi in Jamaica? Only know Bobo Clat. Is it Bombo Clat? I only know one thing, Bombo Clat. That's the only thing I know. Ray, welcome to my channel. Yeah, I'm from Kenya, but the mountain side of Kenya. I'm from central Kenya. Kenya has very beautiful places, and I'm proudly. Have you heard as people saying Murima babes? I'm a Murima babe. Murima is literally saying mountain babe. So I'm from the central part of Kenya, from Mount Kenya region, yeah, Nyeri, and I'm proudly a Kenyan babe. So yeah, like I was saying, I'm very curious, and I really wanted to see if this thing is working. Mm, hmm That's something new. I didn't know that. So you normally use different passports. Why? Why do you do that? Educate me, and you're in the same place. Does it mean that you have different, like, it's different nations, or why you using different passports? I would love to learn. We learn every day. That's new. So you're going to one city from, let's say, from St. Kitts and go to Navis, you normally use different passports? Does it mean that those are two different states in the same country, but you're using, oh my God, that's a lot. Why? In Kenya, we can go to one city to the other city with one ID. But yeah, you should tell me about that. Oh, I've never heard of. Okay, that's a new place. I didn't know about it. Welcome to my channel. Here we talk everything and anything. It's more basically about lifestyle. But yeah, everything and anything goes. So I think I'm gonna attempt again, but I don't want to look directly. Now it's becoming, the sun is even gone. Let me now show you guys. I have the courage now. Let me show you. The sun was somewhere there. And you see the clouds have already become dark. Sun was somewhere there. And that's why I'm asking the likes of Ray in Caribbean, you guys, because it's in the morning, has the partial eclipse happened? Because it's already getting late here in Kenya, and the better part of the day I was in the church, and I just remembered, I was getting curious. I really wanted to see if today we are just going to have that, or people are just predicting, scientists on this social media were just predicting things that are not real. But it's like, yeah, it's happening, because I've had several people complaining they've had headaches today. The sun was burning them. So I don't know. Because some of you, it's morning as we're just getting to wind up the day. So yeah, yep. So I was observing over there, and my eyes almost felt like I'm going blind. And I decided, you know what? I am planning to go blind. That's not my motive to go blind. I just want to observe. It's curiosity that's making me want to know these science things are really existing, or just people are just talking for the sake of saying. But yeah. The clouds have decided again. Scientists, tell me which clouds are these? ah. So when you come to Africa, Ray, you come to Kenya. Oh my God, Kenya is the best place to be. I'm so happy that you usually come to Kenya. Kenya is always hospitable. We love hosting. We call ourselves partying all the time. We just love, we are just a happy nation. And I'm happy to hear that you normally come to Kenya. Oh my God, that's so nice. Where have you observed in Kenya? Where have you traveled in Kenya? Which part of Kenya have you visited? Apart from Nairobi, the main city. Because actually I'm not from the main city. From where I'm speaking from is like, as we speak, it's 2 kilometers, 2 hours away drive. If I would drive right now from here to Nairobi, the main capital city, it's 2 hours. So, okay, my town is not a city, but it's another county. So you normally come to Kenya. I'm so proud. I love hearing some of you sweethearts, because I call you sweethearts. I've visited Kenya. You make me feel so proud. I also plan to ever visit Jamaica, and do that bombo clat thing and wear your your flags. So yeah, tell me if you have observed it or it was just a Pharisee. People are saying, are you planning to go to church or yeah? Yeah, I do. I do, but I'm not very active on that page. I'm actually active on Facebook. And yeah, Facebook. Okay, on my channel, or on my social media, I use the same name. All my social medias, the same YouTube handle is the same one I use on all across board. Instagram, X, which is actually formerly known as Twitter, Facebook, and the other one is which one? TikTok. Mm. But I find Instagram is a lot of fake life, so I'm not so active on that one. I find Instagram is a lot of polished fake life. I'm sorry. I'm sorry, I love being authentic. So yeah. But I have those social medias. I do have those social medias. I do. I do. Otherwise, guys, basically it was curiosity that wanted me to just observe this thing. And it's already dark. I don't know after it happens what happens. And that's why I'm asking you questions as well. You educate me as well. If you're a scientist here, you tell us facts. After it happens, then what? Because life is as live as it is. Because when I go live, it's as raw as it is. And yeah, and I have several books, ebooks that I've written. I'm trying to still observe if the sun is coming out. I think it's just getting dark. There's no sun coming out again. Mm, yeah. Ray, this is the name I still use, Miss Jackie 254 across board. Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, which is currently known as X, and which is the other page, TikTok. I use this name, Miss Jackie 254. Yeah, like I said, I'm not super active in Instagram because I find that is a lot of fake life. Everybody is rich on Instagram. Instagram, everyone is rich. You wonder. Eh, this is, that's a lot of fake life. I'm sorry. That's a lot of faking. So, like I was saying, I have several ebooks on all digital platforms, the likes of Combo, Rakuten, the likes of Smashwords, and at the moment I'm having coupon discounts on Smashwords. So make a point of supporting your girl by getting yourself an ebook on any of the digital platforms, and it's going to be having an offer. So you're going to be like, the pricing, you'll have like 10% off. I'm having currently offers, especially on Smashwords. Go get yourself and grab yourself an e-copy, and you'll get yourself 10% discount on any of my books you buy on that platform of Smashwords. Otherwise, you can find it on Combo, you can find it on Rakuten, you can find it on Amazon, you can find it on all the platforms, digital platforms. I have links on my bio of my books, and you can buy according to the one suits you best. Fiction, romantic book. I also have a guidebook about dogs, because if you've been long enough here, I own a Rhodesian Ridgeback that I love so much called Tommy. And yeah, I've written an ebook for all furry friends. If you own a dog, I have a book that will make you understand more about your furry friend. Go support me. Like I said, in Smashwords, I have 10% discount in each book. Get yourself a copy. It's very few dollars that you can buy like a snack. So instead of buying a snack, get yourself some knowledge, y'all. Okay? Yeah. Thank you, Ray, for the compliment. Thank you, Ray. Like I said all the time, in my channel, I advocate for positive energy, regardless. In this channel, we don't like negative vibes. If you bring a negative vibe, I'll call you out, and I'm not even shy to tell somebody, walk out of my channel if you're bringing your bad energy. I don't condone bad energy. If you're bringing bad energy, bad vibes, bad language, I don't shy to tell someone to walk out of my channel, because it's my space. It's my space. And my space, I call forth positive energy. Yeah. So thank you so much for observing with me. I don't know if you as well have seen the sun doing its thing. Ray from the Caribbean, you should have told me if you guys are out doing all this, because in Kenya it's already evening. We're about to retire to like having the night. And so I just want to say thank you so much for joining me this live. I really do appreciate you guys, and I don't take you for granted. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. And yeah, that's what's up. If you haven't subscribed, subscribe. And if you have observed the partial solar eclipse, you can chat down there and tell us if you have observed from your country, or it was just the forest. Because me, I think I've observed it, because I felt like I'm going blind and my head almost busted. So yeah. I was very curious today. I really wanted to say it. I was really curious. I really looked forward for today. And it was supposed to happen at 5:31 in Kenya. So in your country, I don't know what time it's happening. I can digress. I'm going to love you and leave you. I want to wish you a lovely and actually what we call a productive week. Some of you, a productive Sunday, like enjoy your Sunday service wherever you're going from, wherever you're going. Just have a fruitful day today, and God bless you for all the people who have joined the live. So I'm gonna love you and leave you, and please grab yourself a copy of any of my ebooks. Okay, till next time, God bless you. I love you so much. Thank you so much for joining my live. God bless you guys. Love you. Mwah, 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 mwah. Thank you, sweethearts, for joining my live. Enjoy your Sunday. Enjoy the rest of the week. Till next time, God bless you. Ciao, ciao. Kwaheri.